So seeing it's a really nice evening, I thought I'd just run through the procedure of checking your rear lamps on the Bürstner motorhome. So all you will actually need for the rear lamps is a screwdriver. I've got a nice ratchet one here with my crosshead bit in the end, and basically all you need to do, we were sort of asked to do a couple of these videos just to show people how to access the bulbs. So you've obviously got your side light, brake light, rear fog light and indicator and reverse light in there. So if you get any bulb problems or just want to basically have a look at the condition of the lens inside, clean it out for any reason, there is a screw at the top, 3 in the middle there and 1 down the bottom. So it's basically just a 5 screw operation. So here we go then. In goes this lovely little screwdriver end. 1, 2, 3, 1 at the top, one right down the bottom, and that should, there we go, there's the lamp unit in behind the lens. I was just going to have a little look in here just to, oh, there's a couple of cobwebs and a little bit of dust, so we'll give that a little wipe out in a minute, but there you go. The actual 5 screws actually hold the lamp unit in position as well, so if you need to access the rear of that you can access it as well. But we're just going to basically have a look at the, so sometimes they get a little bit tight in the holders, these bulbs, which was, this one does feel a little bit snug in there. Let's just try and ease it out a little bit. Look at that, look, there we go, there it is. So you've got to do a little twisting action, and let's just have a little look at the back of that. That doesn't look too corroded on the connection, so I'm just going to get a little bit of WD-40, just going to clean off the bulb a little bit, get that dust off. It's not too bad, but it's just good to familiarise yourself with these kind of jobs, just in case you need to do it out on the road. So a little bit of WD on there, and then hopefully that's going to slide back in. There, that's nice, there, easy. Look at that, that's made such a difference, because they do get a little bit snug. Let's try this next one down. He's a bit looser, so that's okay. Check the connection on the back, just give it a little dust off. Again, you can just give it a little bit of WD, in it goes. That's perfect, look at that. So the next one down is the orange indicator bulb. He is nice and free as well. Let's take that out, it's all looking good. It's all very nice. A little bit of that. I did this about 18 months ago, I think, so it just helps. Another one, next one down. A little bit of that on there. There's nothing worse when you come to try and change your bulb and you can't get it out. There we go. That's one right down the bottom. Lovely. Again, it's a little wipe off. A little bit of WD on there. And then straight back in the location. That's perfect. I've just pulled the lamp unit away now. I just wanted to check the bottom and just get rid of this debris in the bottom. You do get a little bit of debris build up in the bottom, which I just wanted to clean out. It's looking good. Just give that a little wipe around in there. Check your rubber seals all in position nicely. And there is a little gap at the bottom to let any moisture out. Just see that little outlet down through the bottom, and then it drips away. Heller lenses, lovely. So then we can just sit that back in. There, like that, lovely. So I'm just using a bit of this fast glass auto clean just to clean up the lamp, get all the dust and debris at the inside as well. It's just the sort of jobs you need to get done in the summer, and then it's all good for the winter as well. You know, all your bulbs are nicely maintained, your lenses are clean, reflectors, that's looking really nice. So I'm fine little wipe around before we reinstall the glass, get all the reflective stuff nice and clean, then just reinstall your glass, and then just a case of redoing up the screws. All your screws, it doesn't get any easier than that. For just a little bulb check, filler, just going to finish off my glass with a bit of this now, bit of super resin, just to make it super shiny. Little dab of that on your lamp unit. Loving it. One more. Just get in around there, clean up them little holes, and yeah, that's looking perfect. And then just the last little buff off, and that is a nice visible lamp unit. Yeah, that's lovely. Look at that. Right, so that's my little video done tonight. These videos go in my playlist of motorhome solutions, so any little jobs we do to the motorhome, simple little jobs to the Fiat Ducato, check it out, playlist motorhome solutions, it will be in there. And thanks for watching, hope you found it informative. Cheers, bye.